Hello guys, this is Monday. We are trading live with two expert advisors here with latest REACTOR scalper MG, or it means to help you, it is recovery system included, so it is here in some profit. You can see it here, recovery system, new advanced scalping. EA uses recovery mode system. So this is it. And we are trading with few years old but fantastic MS-16 trader based on my private strategy. So this is my private strategy number 16 in automated version. You don't need to know anything, just load it and that's it. Also we have one trade with GBP USD. So this is two fantastic traders, one classic trader and one is scalper. You see trailing stop is included, so we cannot make less than $300 here. So today I will give you two deals due to Christmas time, which is coming. Today two deals are REACTOR scalper latest version MG plus MS-16 trader. You see MS-16 trader opened a new one trade with Canadian JIP. You see, you don't need to do anything, it will open the trade even on daily. So plus this is two systems. So 289 REACTOR MG scalper, 289, and where is fantastic for years, it's here, MS-16 trader, 297. So altogether 570 euros, 470 euros, fully automated version of my strategy. You see, all automated, very accurate, very accurate. So 297, 289, so together I'm just going to take my calculator and I wanna give you a special price. 297 plus, in this Christmas time I wanna help. And 289. They are both 586. 586. So I will give you a very special price. Save 500 euros and pay only 86. So both are 586. Where is it? Sorry guys. I have opened many systems to show you a lot of how it works. So this is it. So this one and latest this, instead of both are 586 with two licenses, but now you will get it for only 86 both. So this is one deal. In next video I will give you another, so 86 euros and unlimited licenses. Unlimited, so you can use it on any number of MT4 platforms, accounts, 10, 20, 50, whatever you want. So 86 for both. So get 2 fantastic, save 586. So this is it. You see, it is working. We are making money. So guys, contact me. This is valid today. Email is below. Have a nice day. Bye bye.